Hi everybody, welcome and welcome back. My name is Kimiko Sumi, and today I want to do a video about making sure that you are presentable when you go outside, especially as a black woman. Now, I had to learn this myself, years ago, especially as an adult. You should make sure that you're clean, everything, your appearance is intact, because you never know who you might see when you go outside. Like you might see people from your past, your enemies, and I know that's kind of superficial, but you might see your enemies, you might see, just different people, important people. You can miss out on opportunities because of the way that you're dressed. Right now I don't have on any makeup, and I'm really not looking as presentable as I usually am when I step outside. But when I step outside, I make sure that I have makeup on, my hair looks neat, I'm clean, overall clean, my clothes are clean, everything. Okay, my nails are done, best that I can. Now, I don't have that much money or right now, but I try to keep myself as neat as possible within my budget. And you don't have to spend a lot of money on keeping your appearance together. It can be very affordable. Now, you may not be able to look as great as somebody else that has more money to bring themselves together every day, but you can do your best with what you have. Just make everything that you have, just make sure that you keep it as nice as possible and just stay clean. It doesn't cost that much. You could go to Dollar Tree and just get the basics like toothbrush, like toothpaste, toothbrush, floss, mouthwash, soap, deodorant, just the basics. Like, you don't have to spend a lot of money, Make sure that you have lotion on you, or you moisturize your skin with lotion, even from Dollar Tree. Like, you don't have to spend a lot of money. And this is something that my mother has taught me for years, all throughout my life. Like, you can really take care of yourself on a budget, even with food and like cleaning products and just around your home. You don't have to spend a lot of money. Everything doesn't need to be name brand. And even your makeup, you could go to Walmart and get drugstore makeup. Now, I know high-end makeup is, it's a lot better than drugstore makeup. I will admit that. But, you can get decent products at the drugstore or Walmart or Target that it can be almost comparable to high-end makeup. And sometimes it might even be just as good or better, It depends, because makeup has come a long way. Cosmetics have come a long way since, years ago. But like I said, you should really try to be presentable, especially us as black women. We got to be presentable. We really got to be more on point than anybody else, because we're always being scrutinized everywhere we go. So, just do your hair, Now, I know y'all like to go outside with the bonnets on and stuff and the pajama pants sometimes, but, we got to represent each other. We got to, try to look as decent as possible. If anything else, make sure you put your best foot forward as far as looks when you go outside. I really try to do that. I haven't always been, conscious about my look, but I try to do as best as I can, on a budget, of course, but it's possible. It's possible to put your best foot forward no matter what your financial situation is. And I just want to create this short video to help encourage other people, especially my sisters, my black sisters. And I hope you like this video, share it, comment if you like, hit the notification bell, subscribe. And I will see y'all in another video, my lotus flowers and my upcoming lotus flowers. See you in another video. Peace. I'm out. Bye, bye, bye.